I know he's a bad guy, but I am a bit of a fan of this character here. This is Gristle, the urban crime commander from the G.I. Joe Battle Corps line from 1992. And so the Battle Corps line, he actually, I believe, was supposed to be part of the DEF, because you can see his story. He's a corrupt crime boss, and in the DEF line they had the headhunters and headman and all those kind of guys. But his name is Danimal J. Rogers, which reminds me of the Danimals snacks they used to make. He's from Montego Bay, Jamaica. He's got a pretty sick ponytail, and then like a front ponytail devil lock kind of thing, and then he's got sort of the Chelsea sideburn kind of things going on, and he's a good looking character. And you can see, even though he's sealed, the O-ring in there snapped. And this figure's not too terrible, but I've seen it in some of the older figures, and it's really unfortunate to see like I don't know, an Outback, or even some of the 82, 83 stuff where they're snapped in there. So that's always a sad day. And I've actually had him carded before. I got it in a lot. I was going to open it, but I decided to sell it to make some of my money back. Thankfully, I found this not too long ago for a pretty good price, along with a couple other figures that I intend to open. So I'm going to bust this guy open. Actually, I don't have all of his accessories, and I know a guy who actually collects the unbroken trees, so I'm going to work out some sort of deal, some kind of trade with that, because I love trading. Some people might call me a socialist or communist, but I like to trade. It was fun. The bubble came off pretty nicely. The card wasn't in great shape, but not in bad shape. I've seen it worse. But going back to 1992 here. So yeah, look at him. He is in two pieces. So it's interesting just how those O-rings can deteriorate over time, even when they're in the package and there's not even been any stress. But I mean, look at him though. He's meant, I think, is there any wear on the bubble? Sometimes you'll see like a little, it's kind of hard to see, there's a little scuff on there. Sometimes like their chest might bump or their head might bump, but he's in pretty fantastic shape, obviously, because he's never been touched, well, I guess whoever painted him and packaged him touched. There's that knee crack I like. He's got a launcher. He's got this tree, which I'm going to trade to a friend. Some pretty common accessories. That the dark red stand, it actually looks lighter in the video there. That's kind of more accurate. It's still a little bit darker in real life than on the video, but these have been used many times. This launcher, I think Blanca had it. One of the characters had a string that attached there, and I think, I don't know, is it the Crimson Guard Commander? I think he might have used the same one. Not totally sure, but that, like Cobra Commander, a bunch of people have used that same gun. Our Menace in the Wilderness. Some of the mail-ins here with the international team, the General Hawk, the Deep Six, Ninja Viper, the mail-in Wolf, which I would love to get because I have a Wolf here. That's my favorite vehicle from the G.I. Joe line. I had that as a kid. You can see I actually got this one. Came with a box, blueprints, and an unapplied decal sheet, and I've still not brought myself to put the decals on. I'm waiting for a special day. I'm not sure what that day is, but I will get around to it. But yeah, I love the Wolf. I would love to get the mail-in Wolf. It has a different color. Some of the things are different color. Some of the missiles and things like that. So, but yeah, I'm not going to break this apart because, again, I have a friend who collects those. I will get a new O-ring for this guy and have a nice mint complete one and cut that file card out there. But yeah, this is Gristle. He's a dirty guy. Says he doesn't shower. His eyes are always bloodshot. He's from Jamaica, so I'm sure you can kind of figure that out. And he wears sunglasses to shield him from the daylight. So he likes to smoke, I guess. And he says he goes crazy when those G.I. Joes come after me. They just keep chasing and chasing and chasing. So hopefully they catch up with him, and Duke and General Flag and Mutton Junkyard and some of these other guys can put a stop to him and his crime syndicate, especially now that he's teamed up with Cobra. So thanks for watching, and as always, yo, Joe.